Well, I am so excited to be talking to Ellen Egan out at Egan Gardens. And Ellen, we love coming out there, but you are going to show us what beauty you have at the nursery right now. So go right ahead.
Okay, well, we have lots of flowers here. Flowers are what we're about. And one of my favorites, it's just prime right now, are the Gardenia Gerbera daisies. It's an awful name, but then they gave them cute names like Sweet Smile and Sweet 16 and Sweet Caroline, but they just really do look like smiley faces on a plant. They have a really long bloom season that's way better than other Gerbera daisies. They never stop blooming. They put out masses of them, and they live through the winter, which is something that other Gerbera daisies don't do. When I planted out 10 of them last winter, 8 out of the 10 came through. So they're perennial, they're nonstop bloomers, and they're a great cut flower.
That is great. So just fertilize them a lot.
Fertilize them, use the Proven Winners fertilizer, and deadhead them by snapping off the flower stems at the base of the plant rather than cutting them, so that it leaves the center of the plant open to keep reblooming better.
Nice. What other beautiful things do you have out there?
Oh, we have tons of geraniums. Geraniums have always been our signature plant. My dad started as a geranium grower way back when, and we still do lots of them. They're kind of a perfect plant in that they're really cold tolerant, so you can plant them out early. They keep blooming way into the fall. I've seen them blooming in December if we have a mild fall, and they bloom all summer though. The heat doesn't bother them either. They are really easy to deadhead. You can just pop off a whole head at the base instead of having to do all kinds of picking on them, and they come in all colors. We really like to use them in the centers of our hanging baskets because they make just that nice mound of big flowers in the center. We also grow lots of the ivy geranium baskets. We do solid baskets of them, and we have lots of those baskets this year because they didn't go off to the fundraiser, so I hope everybody will come and get them from us. The ivy geraniums are good in the mixed containers too. I'm not sure if you can see the one behind me here.
Beautiful.
But the ivy geraniums get that name because that shiny, thick leaf that looks like an ivy leaf is actually an adaptation to handle heat and drought. So they're one of the easiest basket materials to take care of because they can handle going dry, they can handle hot sun, they're pretty much impervious. The only thing that could go wrong with geraniums is that the geranium budworms can come and find them. They're nasty little green caterpillars that eat the buds of geraniums and petunias. Fortunately, there's a really safe, easy fix for that. You can use BT. We carry the safer brand BT called Caterpillar Killer, and that's what it does. If you just use that every 2 weeks, spray it all over where the flower buds are, you won't have any problem with the caterpillars, and it's completely safe for us, for hummingbirds, for bees, for ladybugs. It only affects caterpillars.
And so where can we find information about what you're doing when you're coming out, what your hours are?
Oh, you can go to our website, and we've got all the hours. We're actually open our regular hours, just like usual, but we are observing all the safety protocols that we can. We hope that people will take advantage of the opportunity to call us with an order so that they can just pick up in the driveway. That seems to be working really well and keeping people safe.
Well, it's always wonderful to come out. We can't wait till we're back in regular time and come out to all the beauty, but I hope that people remember to come out and just follow all the protocols and enjoy Egan Gardens this spring. Ellen, take care, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Judy.